Oxley Garage Doors, Shutters and Gates have been supplying physical security products for over 30 years. All our staff are dedicated to give the best in-customer service and aftercare, advising on the latest remote-controlled garage doors from all the nation's leading manufacturers, including beautiful made-to-measure glass fibre doors that are virtually maintenance-free, timber and steel automatic commercial and domestic entrance gates, classic cast iron gates, railings and posts to aluminium window and bar shutters, quality controlled manufacturing processes for all our steel products guarantees we can supply you with a garage door, shutter or gate we are proud to put our name to.